see how we go. Here's the other one coming in. Holy shit, it's so freaking goddamn long.
If you use your Shinkansen app, you can track them all. The one they'll give you.
Do we have a Wi-Fi here?
Yeah. There you go. There's a little look away. He's probably gone back to Matsumoto or Corfu. What's 3 cars this one? Oh, it's not, it's 4. Oh, that's a Rapid Express one. To Nagoya. That one goes to Nagoya, which is the 3rd largest city in Japan, Nagoya. And that's another city that people don't go to. Nagoya.
Nagoya.
Yeah.
I heard Osaka.
There's a green class at the end.
Oh yeah. She's going right. She might be going right this one.
There's a Qantas thing over there, right?
Oh yeah.
Next to that chimney.
No, it's not.
It's Qantas. The red kangaroo. Look at it. Isn't it?
Where did Nagano? We did that last
No, we did it with the ski bag to Colorado.
Oh yeah, that's right, yeah.
So your green class is at the front this time. It's the Rapid Express to Nagoya. There's another green class.
Engineering in that giant far out. Don't those things like lower once they hit certain speed?
12.
12 of them? Oh, magic that is. That's cool.
How much is that one? How much is it in Australia like?
Oh, they're paying about $16, $17.
You get another one.
Yeah, I will. Make it a brown one. Magic. That stuff. You can show Kieran. He would love this, wouldn't he?
Mm-hmm.
So would Thomas. Oh, another one coming in. Holy moly! Hang on. Hamish, down there.
Yeah, I see that.
Daddy wants his old dry kiss. Come on.
That's how he stops.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah, they cancelled the 1 o'clock train today between Hakodate and Sapporo.
Oh, that was cancelled, was it?
Yeah. The 1 o'clock one.
Mm-hmm.
All sections cancelled. See, Trump's denied that fucking. Oh, Trump's here. I was reading on the train out about some of the things he's saying. You know about the price of pharmaceuticals like drugs and all that coming down. Yeah. Is it reasonable to do a day trip to Kyoto from Tokyo?
Yeah.
A day trip? You fucking survive. Too tiring if you ask me. You could, but it's not recommended. I would not be doing. That's totally redundant as well. Picture of that. Look at that. I can't see any level crossings. I don't know why it keeps going off. Let's see, that's probably a Kofu one. I see him all sitting sideways. Yeah, that'll be the Kofu one. The one we caught on Saturday. Oh, what do you guess? On the top there, next to the bath.